Hi guys, I'm Sim from rentalmilan.com. This is university apartment, of course near walking distance from Bocconi. It's a video tour. Let's make the video tour. So this is living room and kitchen. In the ground floor you have everything here, also dishwasher. Then we have first bedroom. First bedroom with a bed and a private bathroom, wardrobe. Then downstairs we have actually this is outside, a private courtyard. So this is the house here. Let me see if I can go downstairs. Okay, perfect. So this is downstairs. Here we have a second bathroom with a washing machine, shower, second bedroom, okay, with wardrobe, and a study room, like a bonus room. Now it's wardrobe, I think. Yeah. So this is like a bonus room. You can also study here if you want. Yeah. To check the prices and availability, please contact Ottavia directly. I left a link downstairs, and I hope you like it. See you soon.